I don't know where to put this, babe.
Tyler.
Yo.
She told me to go to hell, but all dogs go to heaven.
Yeah.
That's a bar.
Thank you so much, Kevin.
Appreciate it. What was your name?
I'm Tyler.
Tyler.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I asked Ashley what your name was.
Let me know how you like the beans. We're trying out a new blend from Stemma.
Oh, cool. I love.
It's like supposed to have like a strong citrus orangey flavor.
I love that.
Yeah.
That's very good. It is very light. Well, I love it. Well, thank you so much, Kevin.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
All right, so I just got back from a shoot and I will show some pictures real quick. Shout out to my boy Phenom over in Tampa, killing it. Earlier in this video, I went to Not Another Film Lab and Ashley was telling me that the photos that I want printed for Cameras and Coffee are too low resolution scans to be able to print on the canvas size that I want. So I'm gonna have to go back into the archives and find those film negatives so we can rescan them at a higher DPI. I hope that makes sense, I don't know. I haven't gotten a chance to file my photos from last year, so they're all just kind of like film rolls, just laying around uncut, not in a sleeve or anything. But I know I want to show some photos from 2 years ago, I believe. So I'm gonna go back into the archives for those, and then I'm gonna have to scan through a bunch of undocumented film rolls. So I'm sitting here like trying to, my setup is terrible for like looking at negatives, and I'm just kind of like shining it up to the light like this. My back is killing me, but I found a easier way to do it. A lot of the times film labs will have a light box that they can lay their negatives on that's, you know, white so you can see through the film. And I just have this lamp here and I'm kind of just going through it right now, the poor man's light box. I am here at Not Another Film Lab and they're actually closing up right now. So I'm gonna hurry this up, but we are gonna print my photos for Cameras and Coffee at Studio D3. Ashley is gonna help me out. Angie is gonna help me out as well. But yeah, this is it right here. This is Not Another Film Lab. Well, Ashley's the one that's crawling under the tent right now. Ashley, say hi.
What's up, hey?
This has been a very complicated process, but it's very fun. And with a person like Ashley helping you on your side kind of puts me at ease knowing that the photos that I make are in really good hands. So yeah, let's go in. Or you can also pick it up at Not Another Film Lab for $25, it looks like. I'd want to do 3 17 by 22s.
Okay.
And then 6 13 by 19s. God, it already looked so much better just on that little thumbnail that I saw.
You can go to another lab and you can love their scans and their colors. And you can go to another lab and it won't be the same thing for you. So, yeah.
That is so cool. I didn't
Yeah.
know that. So each lab almost has their own artistic
Correct.
like spin on
Yep.
it. That's
Yep,
cool.
Yep, yep. I mean, there's like a baseline for sure, but yeah.
That's
for the
cool.
most part.
Now, why do you have to do it as a positive first?
You don't.
Oh, you don't?
You don't.
Okay.
This is my workflow.
That's your workflow.
So
Okay.
you can definitely just do a negative.
Okay.
But I like to scan it.
You like to
at
see it.
This because if I do it as a what do you call it? A negative, like normal, how it's supposed to be.
Yep.
It'll convert the colors for me. And I don't want that because I don't want Epson colors. I want to control it, and so I use Negative Lab Pro to do that. And
That's
the cool
sick.
thing about Negative Lab Pro is that they have settings to match Weird Sue scanners. So
That's sick. Okay, cool.
and you'll see that right now. But
Honestly, it got here. I ordered it literally 2 days ago.
just want to say thank you to all the people who came out and supported the event. I thought that was really awesome. And I also want to shout out Malu for just being an awesome girlfriend, always being supportive of me and everything that I do. Shout out to Studio D3 for putting this event on. I really appreciate you guys. And I think we're doing something really cool with the Orlando community here. Ow. All in all, I think it was a great event, and I'm looking forward to the next one. But yeah, peace.